Ever wondered how you can start earning money while balancing school, sports, and social life? Well, today we're diving into the top side hustles perfect for ambitious teens like you that not only fill your pockets but also build a foundation for future success. Stay tuned. 1. Flexibility and freedom. Create your own schedule. Imagine not having to answer to a boss. For most teens juggling school, homework, and extracurriculars, time is of the essence. Side hustles present a unique opportunity to earn money on your terms, providing the autonomy to work when it suits you best. It's a chance to learn how to balance responsibilities while enjoying the freedom to prioritize your activities. Of course, with great freedom comes great responsibility. It's crucial to develop time management skills to ensure you're not spreading yourself too thin. Side hustles can serve as the perfect training ground for this, all while you earn some extra cash. So what's stopping you from taking control of your time and finances? 2. Building skills. Early, gain a competitive edge. You had a head start in the real world? Engaging in side hustles as a teenager can provide just that. You'll have the chance to develop and hone skills such as communication, time management, and problem solving. Skills that are invaluable in any career path you choose to pursue. It's about more than just making money. It's about preparing yourself for the future. You'll learn how to interact with different types of people, manage deadlines, and take initiative. These experiences can set you apart from your peers and give you a competitive edge in college applications, future job searches, and beyond. So why wait? Start building your skill set today. 3. Financial independence. Take control of your money. Who doesn't want their own money? Side hustles empower teens to earn their own income, reducing reliance on parents for allowance and providing a sense of financial independence. This newfound freedom comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities, however. It's important to learn the basics of money management, budgeting, and saving to ensure you're making the most out of your hard-earned cash. Not only will these skills benefit you in the short term, but they will also lay the foundation for financial success in adulthood. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and start saving for your future? 4. Harnessing tech and social media. Turn scrolling into earning. You're already online. Why not profit from it? In today's digital age, teens are more tech-savvy and connected than ever before. Side hustles provide an opportunity to leverage these skills, turning your social media prowess into a potential source of income. Whether it's through online freelancing, content creation, or starting your own e-commerce store, the possibilities are endless. However, it's crucial to navigate the online world responsibly and be mindful of your digital footprint. Remember, what you post online can have lasting consequences. So how can you use your tech skills responsibly while also capitalizing on them to earn money? 5. Networking and connections. Open doors to opportunities. Ever heard? It's not what you know, but who you know. Engaging in side hustles can expand your network and connect you with people you wouldn't have met otherwise. These connections can serve as valuable resources, providing advice, mentorship, and potentially even job opportunities. It's about more than just networking. It's about building meaningful relationships that can support and guide you throughout your personal and professional journey. So, how can you start building your network today? And what doors might it open for your future? 6. Creating and app selling. Remember that bracelet you made? Selling handmade goods online through platforms like Etsy and eBay or at local craft fairs is an incredible opportunity for teens. Not only does it allow you to express your creativity and develop skills in crafting and design, but it also introduces you to the world of commerce and customer service. You learn how to price your items, how to market them, and how to communicate with customers. The key to success in this endeavor is passion. Your genuine love for what you create shines through, attracting customers who appreciate the care and creativity behind each piece. Moreover, this experience teaches you about the business side of art and crafts, giving you a holistic understanding of what it takes to be successful in this field. It's not just about creating something beautiful. It's about creating something that others find value in and are willing to pay for. This journey of creation and sale is filled with learning opportunities, and each sale is a stepping stone towards mastering the art of commerce and customer relations. 7. Boosting college applications. Want colleges to notice you? Engaging in side hustles, particularly those that align with your passions and skills, not only brings in extra income, but also significantly boosts your college applications. Colleges are on the lookout for well-rounded individuals with unique experiences and skills. Having a side hustle demonstrates initiative, responsibility, and a willingness to take on challenges. It shows that you are not afraid to step out of your comfort zone and take control of your future. Furthermore, it provides you with real-world experience and a story to tell, making your application stand out from the rest. You can frame this experience in your application essays, highlighting the skills you've developed, the challenges you've overcome, and the lessons you've learned. This not only adds depth to your application, but also gives colleges a glimpse of your potential and what you can bring to the table. So, don't underestimate the power of a side hustle. It could be the key to unlocking the door to your dream college. 8. Personal growth and confidence. Ever felt the rush of making your own sale? There's an indescribable thrill that comes with making a sale or receiving a positive review from a satisfied customer. It's a validation of your skills, your product, and your ability to navigate the world of business. This experience fosters personal growth and builds confidence that transcends the realm of business. It teaches you to believe in yourself and your abilities, and this newfound confidence spills over into other areas of your life. You become more willing to take risks, more resilient in the face of failure, and more assertive in pursuing what you want. These are invaluable life skills that will serve you well, regardless of the path you choose to take. So, embrace the highs and lows of your side hustle journey, for it is shaping you into a more confident and capable individual. 9. Understanding value and hard work. Ever heard money doesn't grow on trees? Teens involved in side hustles quickly learn the true value of money and the hard work required to earn it. This practical experience is a stark reminder that money is earned, not given, and that hard work and dedication are key components of success. It teaches financial responsibility and the importance of budgeting and saving. Moreover, it instills a strong work ethic and a sense of pride in earning your own money. While there may be shortcuts or easier ways to make money, nothing beats the satisfaction of knowing that your earnings are a direct result of your own efforts and hard work. This lesson in value and hard work is one of the most important takeaways from having a side hustle and will serve you well in your future endeavors, both personal and professional. 10. The entrepreneurial spark. Dream of being your own boss one day. Many of today's most successful entrepreneurs started their journey with side hustles during their teenage years. These early experiences in business and commerce ignite the entrepreneurial spark, fostering a love for innovation, problem-solving, and risk-taking. They teach valuable lessons in perseverance, resilience, and the importance of passion and vision in business. Moreover, they provide a safe space for young entrepreneurs to experiment, learn, and grow. This early exposure to the world of business is invaluable, and it often plays a crucial role in shaping the future of young entrepreneurs. So, if you dream of starting your own business one day, know that your side hustle is laying the groundwork for your future success. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and let your entrepreneurial spark guide you towards achieving your dreams. Throughout this journey, we've seen how side hustles can be game changers, not just for your wallet, but for your personal and professional growth. If you're ready to take the plunge, check out our next video, How Teens Are Raking in Cash Online, to kickstart your journey. Don't forget, the road to success starts with a single step. Are you ready to take yours?